Hey guys, it's Dalton with this month's Pick of the Month, a T264. Again, this is Dalton with Priority Auto and Tractor, and I'm really excited about this T264. This is a 25 horsepower tractor, gross off the engine. It's about 19.5 off the PTO, so that way if you wanted to run a bush hog or a snowblower in the rear, you can do so. What I particularly like about this tractor is the ease of access. It's got a quick attach loader on it on the side, so you can easily detach the loader if you wanted to. Quick couplers here, as well as a quick attach here, so if you wanted to run a small 6-foot snow pusher, you can do so as well. It does have the industrial tires on this particular one, and really just the ease of access. I'm just going to take a moment to climb on this thing here and show you. So what you have right here out to the right hand side is you have your PTO controls here, which is a push button, as well as on the left side here. This does have cruise control, and that would actually come in handy if you're doing a lot of bush hogging or if you're doing a lot of snow blowing and you just want to go at a nice constant pace. That would come in handy. This model here is hydrostatic. I find the hydrostatic are easier to drive. Pretty much you can have somebody that's 16 years of age or older that can run this thing, or even younger if you needed to do so. So your throttle control is here, your joystick control is here. This is how you would raise and lower your bucket as well. You've got your lights and your blinkers, as well as your horn and your hazard lights. So if you had to travel with this thing to do some properties, you could do so as well. And then if you come over here on this side, this one does have the high and low range as well, which is here. This joystick here is the high and low range, as well as putting it in neutral. And then you have full drive options. So this is actually a full drive tractor. And that's going to come in handy if you're doing some snow pushing or some snow blowing. You can buy chains for these as well. The seat's very comfortable, and it's equipped with a seat buckle and the ropes as well. So if you find yourself in a situation that you needed to mow on a side bank, you can at least have those safety features. So if you did happen to roll over, you would be safe. Then we come into the back here. Again, we do have the quick style attachment here. It's a 3-point hitch style. You can make all your adjustments on this side, which is the top link, and your right link here. So therefore, if you're doing ditching or you want to go at an angle, if you have a box blade, you're going to level up the driveway, you can do so as well. Gas tank is in the back, and this one is a 6.5 gallon tank. This is equipped with a Coupe diesel engine, which is nice too. It's super quiet and reliable. So if you have any questions about these tractors at all, feel free to reach me at dalton@yourpriorityauto.com or call me at 207-521-5264. Till then, I'll see you later.